Morning, everyone. So, our topic for today is about genre, setting, and theme. So, let's have a review first. There are three basic story parts, and these are characters, setting, and plot. So, characters, it means who is in the story. Setting means where and when the story happens. And plot is what happens. So, look at this picture. If you walked into this place, how would you feel? What kind of adventures might happen here? Today, we were going to find out where stories happen, what type of story they are, and what important lesson the author wants to teach us. So first, let's define the genre. Genre means what kind of story is it? Genre is the family or category a story belongs to. It tells us what to expect when we read. So there are two kinds of genre. First is fantasy. Fantasy is a story with a magic and things that cannot happen in real life. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya makatotohanan. For example, if a story has a dog that wears a superhero cape and talks to a cat, that is fantasy because dogs cannot talk in real life. So the next genre is realistic fiction. From the word realistic, it means a story that is made up but it could happen in real life. Ibig sabihin, makatotohanan siya. For example, if a story is about a boy who loses his backpack on the school bus and has to find it, that is realistic fiction because it might also happen to us. Pwede ring mawala natin yung backpack natin sa school bus. So next is setting. Setting means where and when does it happen. Ibig sabihin, saan at kailan nangyari ang story. So setting is the place and the time of story. Authors do not always say the exact city or year. Instead, they leave word clues that readers must find. So minsan hindi sinasabi ng author kung saan ba talaga or kailan nangyari yung story. Pero meron silang mga sentences na binibigay na sa tingin mo, yun yung setting. So for example, the girl heard the loud engine and looked out the small round window at the fluffy white clouds below. So the author did not say the word airplane, but the clues, loud engine, round window, and fluffy clouds, parang sinasabi niya na the person or the girl is inside the airplane. So, kailangan intindihin nyo yung mga ginagamit na words or intindihin nyo yung buong sentences para malaman nyo yung kanyang setting. Kasi minsan hindi binibigay ng author yung exact setting of the story. So, another example is Tom rubbed his sleepy eyes, put on his slippers, and smelled breakfast cooking. Sa tingin nyo, kailan kaya nangyari ito? Kasi sabi, Tom rubbed his sleepy eyes, put on his slippers, and smelled breakfast cooking. So ang clue niya is sleepy eyes and breakfast. It means, what do you think? It tells us the time is early in the morning. So the story happened, or this situation happened in the morning. So next is theme. Kanina yung binabanggit natin is genre. Next is setting. Now, theme. Theme means what is the big lesson? Ano yung lesson of the story? So the theme is the heart of the story. It is the big lesson the author wants you to learn about life or people. It is not what the story is about. It is what the story teaches you. Ibig sabihin, in Tagalog, theme is aral. Ano ba yung aral na nakukuha natin sa story na binabasa natin? So for example, imagine a story where a little turtle races a fast rabbit. The rabbit stops to take a nap because he thinks he will win easily. But the turtle keeps walking slowly and wins the race. So the story is about the turtle and a rabbit, but the theme is do not give up even if you are slow. Kasi nga, kahit sobrang bilis ni rabbit, dahil siya ay naging kampante, pero naman si turtle ay grabe yung pagsikap niya kahit he is slowly walking, kahit dahan-dahan, na napunta pa rin siya sa finish line. So, the theme is do not give up even if you are slow. So, yun yung aral ng story. Next is, imagine a story where a girl breaks her mother's favorite cup by accident. She is scared, but she tells her mother the truth. Her mother is happy she told the truth and does not get mad. So, based on the story, the girl, nabasag niya yung favorite cup ng kanyang mama by accident, then natakot siya. But kahit natakot siya, sinabi pa rin niya yung totoo sa kanyang mama. And then her mother is happy. Even though nabasag yung favorite cup niya, pero yung anak niya, sinabi sa kanya yung totoo. So what is the theme of the story? The theme is honesty is always the best choice. Okay, so that is an example of theme. Aral na nakukuha natin sa story. Now let's read the short fourth sentence story out loud. The knight put on his shiny silver armor. He carefully climbed to the top of the tallest tower in the kingdom to wake up the friendly dragon. He smiled and shared his lunch with the dragon. So, as we read Knight and Dragon, what do you think is the genre of the story? Does it happen in a real world or not? So the answer is it must be a fantasy story. Because do you think dragon does exist? So if it does not exist, we think the answer is fantasy story. The genre is fantasy story. Next, how about the setting? Where do you think the story happened? So it must be the tallest tower in the kingdom. So siguro, nangyari, based in this 4-sentence short story, it happened in the tallest tower in the kingdom, or in the kingdom. Next, how about the moral lesson or the theme of the story? What is the lesson you have learned? So the knight shared his food. The lesson is that sharing makes new friends. That is the theme. Kasi nga, 'di ba, si knight pumunta siya sa tallest tower in the kingdom para gisingin si friendly dragon. And then, he shared his lunch with the dragon. So, the knight wanted to be the dragon's friends. So the lesson is that sharing makes new friends. That is the theme. Now let's read another short story, then let's answer the guiding questions. Mia packed her swimsuit and towel. She felt the hot sun and heard the crashing ocean waves. She had to build a huge sand castle before the tide came in. Where do you think this story happened? So the setting clues is a hot sun and ocean waves. So we think that the settings kung saan nangyari yung story is in the beach. Next, what kind of story is this? Is it fantasy or realistic fiction? Sa tingin niyo, totoo kaya? Makatotohanan kaya yung pangyayari na to? Or makatotohanan ba yung story na to? So, the answer is realistic fiction. And then, what is the lesson? What do you think is the lesson of the story? The theme is working hard before playing.